The proposed amendment to the Constitution of Pakistan, especially the addition of Article 184A, aims to establish a federal constitutional court with significant powers. Is a detailed legal analysis of these changes, proposed amendments, and the implication empowerment of FFC, the Article 184A interpretation of the Constitution. The FCC could have the authority to interpret the Constitution, which is currently primarily a function of Supreme Court. This would lead to a dual system of constitutional interpretation, potentially causing inconsistencies and a conflict with the legal precedents. Hearing of appeals against parliamentary law, the FCC could have hear appeals against any law passed by the parliament. This could centralize the constitutional review in the FCC, potentially reducing the Supreme Court role in such matter. Appeal against High Court decision, Article 184A2, jurisdiction over High Court appeals. The FCC could enter appeals against the decision made by the High Court. This could change the streamline and the appellate process for the constitutional matters, but might also lead to judicial overlap and the procedural complexities. Transfer of the pending appeals, to FCC, all the pending appeals against the High Court orders could be transferred to FCC once the amendment is passed. This could create a significant backlog for the new court to delay the resolution of the existing cases. Exclusive and original jurisdiction dispute between federal and the provincial governments. The FCC could have exclusive and original jurisdiction to decide disputes between federal and the provincial governments, a role currently led by the Supreme Court. This could help to specialized handling of federal and provincial disputes, but the might also dilute the Supreme Court authority, legal and constitutional consideration, separation of powers, balance of the judicial authority. The proposed amendments would later the balance of authority between the Supreme Court and the FCC, ensuring that both courts operate within the clearly defined jurisdiction, would be crucial to avoid conflicts and maintain judicial concern. Judicial independence, potential for political interference, the creation of a new court, and the transfer of significant power could be preserved as such intent to influence the judiciary. Safeguarding the independence of FCC from the political pressures would be essential to maintain public trust, efficiency, and access to justice. Streamlining versus complexity. While the FCC could potentially streamline the handling of the constitutional matter, it might also introduce additional layers of complexities and delay, ensuring that the new system enhances rather than hinders the access to justice could be a key challenge. Comprehensive models, international precedents, examining how other countries with a similar jurisdiction structure manage to the division of the constitutional responsibility could provide valuable insight. For example, Germany's Federal Constitutional Court has a well-defined role that complements rather than conflicts with the other judicial bodies. The proposed amendments to establish a federal constitutional court in Pakistan represent a significant shift in the country's judicial structure. While the challenges aim to address issues like provincial disparities and the specialized constitutional adjudication, they also raise important questions about the judicial independence, efficiency, and the balance of power. Careful consideration and the broad consequences would be necessary to ensure these amendments strengthen rather than undermines the legal system.